Hi, my name is Francois. I'm the CTO at Vention.io, and today what I have behind me is an AI-powered bin picking application. So why bin picking? Well, we have something special. We are actually utilizing a foundation model from Nvidia called Foundation Pose to be able to do pose estimation, that is detecting a part in 3D space and localizing its exact position. This is super powerful because we can do this for many products for a manufacturer without having to retrain and reprogram the robot and use complex sequences of programming. Let's say you have plenty of products to train and to pick in a facility. You can't retrain every time and invest the money into the reprogramming as well. It needs to be simple, and this is what Foundation Pose gives us the ability to do. We simply put a 3D model in the system trains itself, and you're good to go. Of course, all of this is running on accelerated Nvidia hardware, GPUs, more specifically CUDA cores, and inside our new machine motion AI controller that you can see here, we have an Nvidia Jetson NX that provides all the power to run this special software.